Hi, first graders and writers workshop. We've been talking about fairy tales, and we know that fairy tales have good and evil characters. We know that they have a setting that could be a cottage, a castle, or even a forest. We also have learned that fairy tales have a problem and then a solution to their problem. We also know that fairy tales have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And today we're going to learn how to add magic to our fairy tales. All fairy tales have magic in them, and we've been talking about magic and the magic that are in other fairy tales on our tree map that we've been filling out in our classroom this week. And actually, we filled out the last column this morning in our meeting. So we are going to work on adding magic to our writing. And I have found some magic cards to show you examples of magic that you could use for your writing. So right here is a picture of magic beans or magic potion. You could choose to write about a book of magic spells, or maybe a magical mirror or a magical cauldron. Some other choices are a magical spear, a broom, a sword, or a fairy wand, and of course, magical glitter. So today, what you're going to be doing in Writer's Workshop is you are going to be writing a story, or basically a story starter, by choosing a character and then choosing the magic that that character is going to have. For example, mine, I chose once upon a time in a faraway land, there was a mermaid. This mermaid had a magic mirror. The mermaid used the mirror to grow legs and walk around on land. So when you look at your examples and seesaw, here's your 3 examples. You're going to choose 3 different characters and 3 different magic powers. For example, I'm going to show you, work through another one. So if I was doing this red one, it says, once upon a time in a faraway land, there was maybe this time I'm going to choose a wicked witch. So then I could choose to put my wicked witch words right here. This wicked witch had a magic, and I'm going to give her a magic broom. The wicked witch, so I'm going to put wicked witch right here again. Use the broom to, and now I get to decide what that wicked witch is going to use the magic broom to. So I'm going to say this wicked witch used the magic broom to ride all over town and pick up trash. That is what this wicked witch used her broom for. Okay, so then I would pull that right down there. Now I can change the color on it if I want to make it, the words that I added, stand out a little bit more, so that way I can see them. And I can also shrink them down as well, so that way they fit in those boxes to kind of clean it up a little, so it's easier for your teacher to read. So I want you to do that today. I want you to do it for the red, for the purple, and for the green. Try and choose 3 different characters and 3 different magic cards. So that way when you come to school on Monday, you have 3 different starts to stories that you could write when you come to school on Monday. So first grade, I hope today and every day when you're writing a fairy tale, you try to incorporate some sort of magic into your writing. Good luck today, first grade.